Can you calculate the volume of composite shapes with spheres? Imagine stacking different three-dimensional objects to create a new shape. Now, wonder if you can find the total space inside that shape. The answer is yes, you can. Calculating the volume of composite shapes that include spheres is possible by breaking the shape into smaller, simpler parts. Think of a shape made of a sphere combined with a cylinder or a cone. To find the total volume, you first identify each part separately. For a sphere, use the formula. Volume equals for divided by 3 times pi times the radius cubed. The radius is the distance from the center of the sphere to its surface. For other shapes like cylinders or cones, use their specific formulas. Once you have the individual volumes, add them all together. This sum gives you the total volume of the entire composite shape. Remember to express your answer in cubic units, matching the units used for the measurements. For example, if you have a shape made of a cone stacked on top of a hemisphere, start by calculating the cone's volume. Use the formula, 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height. Then, find the volume of the hemisphere, which is half the volume of a sphere, so it equals 2/3 times pi times the radius cubed. Add these two volumes together, and you get the total space inside the shape. This method works no matter how many parts are involved or what shapes they are. It is a straightforward way to handle complex three-dimensional objects by simplifying them into basic shapes with known volume formulas. Knowing how to find the volume of combined solids helps in many real-world areas like architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. When designing objects or structures, you often deal with shapes that are made of different parts. Being able to calculate the total volume helps in estimating material needs, costs, and space. It also reinforces understanding of how shapes like spheres, cylinders, and cones work together. So, next time you see a complex shape, remember that breaking it into simple parts makes finding its volume much easier. Whether it is a sports ball, a bottle, or a piece of machinery, calculating the volume of combined shapes is a handy skill to have.